Hi, this is Ronit Roy. Sorry.
This is Rohit Roy.
Oh, sorry. One sec. Sorry. Hi, this is Rohit Roy. And this is Ronit Roy. And you're watching BollywoodHungama.com. Keep watching.
There you go.
So I think Ronit Roy has done pretty well, Rohit Roy. So you'll need to just battle it out, considering that you're so competitive.
Let's do this.
Okay, so now rapid fire with Rohit Roy. Which is your most favorite childhood memory with Ronit?
There are several, but the memory that remains etched in my mind is when I threw a 7-lever lock.
I so knew you were going to say that. I was just going to say Tala.
He was irritating me, and I threw a 7-lever lock at him, and thank God I missed his head by a whisker.
Oh my God.
Just a whisker. He was running down the stairs, and I threw it from vantage point, and just missed him by a whisker.
Yeah, it missed that, but it got my nail. So my nail came out.
Not that bad.
Perfection से मारा था.
And matlab,
No, I was going for his head.
you guys could be as good as like Judwas. Yeah, matlab, you precisely knew what he's going to say.
You know, there are certain things which later in retrospect you're like, did I actually do that? What if I did hit him? You know? So yeah, that's the.
आज भी even today मैं रोहित रॉय के खौफ में जी रहा हूँ.
We can see that actually. See that. मैं भी खौफ में जिया. If you have to swap one quality with Ronit, which one will it be?
Tenacity.
Tenacity. Okay. One reason why you will choose Bollywood over television.
One reason, there are several reasons, but Bollywood is something which is for ad infinitum. You never, if you do a good job on the silver screen, people will remember you after years and years of your passing. But on television, unfortunately, it's what we call gutter entertainment. It's like a daily newspaper. You forget the next day what you've done yesterday. So that's the one thing.
Okay. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when I say Yami Gautam?
Beautiful.
Award shows.
In India or abroad?
Anywhere. Let's stick to India.
Let's stick to India. Jerk off.
Jerk off.
Okay. मैंने फिल्म फेयर जीता था यार बिना लॉबिंग.
Other than when my brother, other than my brother wins.
May I say something?
जी 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 बिल्कुल.
What happened to my rapid fire round? How is it rapid fire?
No, actually, he wants to say something. Your brother wants to say
I
something.
just want to say on both of our behalf
जी.
that I have never gone to an award function thinking also that I'll win film award function, not
Right.
television award. Because you've heard so many things like it's rigged and people do lobbying and this and that, but I have to say this on camera today that every award I have won, I have not even made a single phone call to anybody. So there is some kind of truth behind these awards. I mean that's speaking out of my personal experience.
Okay.
But my answer was,
But
it has
yeah.
nothing to do with lobbying or making
Yeah.
calls. I didn't mean that. I said it's a personal job.
Yeah, it's like he's making it rapid actually.
Yeah, मैं कुछ
Okay, what's the first thing that comes to your mind when I say Ronit Roy?
Phoenix.
Sensors.
When I say censor, phallic.
Phallic. Okay. Interesting dictionary.
Arey, sir,
Okay.
ये रोहित
We'll do
Roy.
ref- okay. An actor from Bollywood you've always admired,
Mr. Bachchan.
apart from Mr. Bachchan.
Nasiruddin Shah.
Okay. A thing about Hrithik Roshan you learned after working with him.
I've said pretty much everything about Hrithik, but giving. I've learned that, like you guys discussed something that, goodness and all of that. Uski shakal pe likha hua hai that he's a really nice soul.
Yeah.
And the more I know him, I've known him since the time he was 17, 18, I think. And the more I get to know him, the more I see that goodness coming out of his eyes. So the one word which comes to mind when I think of Hrithik is gold.
Gold. Okay. You'd like to write at some point of time? Are you like a writer?
I mean, I write a lot, I blog a lot, I've co-written my first film, I'm co-writing my next film. I love to write. I love to write. That's, I think, my creative release is through writing, not so much acting.
Acha. In English, like a proper book or something?
Now, I'm going to write his autobiography, when and as. I'm going to write his biography. It's going to be automatic, so I called it.
So you'll write, huh? That should be very interesting actually.
It'll just flow.
It'll just flow.
And I'm going to give you the title I thought for myself.
What?
बचपन से लेकर आज तक.
अरे
What major difference between television and Bollywood?
One major difference is that in television, you don't have time to build anything. Forget about a character. In Bollywood, you have time to prepare and create something which will be everlasting.
Okay, an American show you think can do very well if remade in Indian television?
I'm not going to tell you because I'm remaking it already. When you see it, you'll come to know.
When we see it.
Yeah. अभी बोल दूंगा तो वो आइडिया निकल जाएगा ना सर.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
इतना वाइडली वॉच शो है आपका.
बिल्कुल. अब हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
Widely watched for sure.
Listen, we were at an award function where both of us were being given an award for our achievement on television, excellence on television, called the first family of TV and all that. And when he gave his acceptance speech, it was in chaste Hindi.
Correct.
And when it came to me, I spoke in chaste English.
Yeah.
So my friend Manish Paul was saying, वाह 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 क्या जोड़ी है. एक का स्पीच कलर्स पे आएगा, एक का स्पीच कलर्स इन्फिनिटी पे आएगा. तो हमारा हमेशा साइमल्टेनियस टेलीकास्ट होता है.
You know, many years back, I was in Ooty shooting a film with Mithunda.
जी.
And Mithunda and Raj Babbar Sahab were, they're very close to each other, very old friends.
Right.
So we were like chintu pintos, I mean, when Mithunda and Raj Babbar Sahab are presiding over a dinner table, then you don't talk much, you just listen. So they were chiding each other, and Mithunda, he was telling Mithunda about how he still had the Bengali accent, and Mithunda said that it's okay, he has done well without it. And Raj Babbar Sahab said something very important that day. He said that the medium that you work in, you should at least have proper command over that medium. That's the day I started learning Hindi. And then of course, watching Bachchan Sahab conduct himself.
Correct.
So a lot of inspiration and education has come from that front. So I think when you speak Hindi, आजकल तो लोग इंग्लिश में बोल देते हैं, so they talk like that only. तो वो साउंड करता है हिंदी, but it's पूरी तरह से इंग्लिश.
Correct. Yeah.
So that's why I don't listen to him. I don't listen to him because I don't understand how the words he uses. तो जब समझ में नहीं आता तो करूँगा कैसे, है ना? On that note,
समझने का प्रयास करोगे तो समझोगे.
Excuse, what is the meaning of prayas?
Sir, please.
Okay, finally, last question. That if you can tell us something about your forthcoming films and your fitness regimen, how do you remain so fit, both of you?
I am currently very unfit because I've just come back from 2 weeks in London and then I've fallen ill. Before going to London, I had finished all my work, so I was not doing anything. Then I've fallen ill. I'm currently under heavy medication, not being able to go to the gym or work out. But on a normal day, a normal course of events, I'm a runner. So I mainly run, and after I run, I do either Tai Chi or yoga, depending. I alternate, and sometimes, for a few weeks I'll hit the gym, then stop. That kind of thing. But mostly when I run, in between my running, I do freehand, pull-ups and stuff like that. So that's basically my fitness thing. What was the other part of it?
Forthcoming projects apart from Kabul.
Forthcoming projects, this month, after 2 days, I start a film called Lucknow Central with Farhan. It's a Viacom film.
Right.
Very debut director, very, very talented, very promising, called Ranjit. Looking forward to that. I'm doing a small kind of an extended cameo in a film called Munna Michael. I'm playing Tiger's foster dad.
Okay.
Very exciting, very interesting, light-hearted role. There are some very brilliant scripts which have come to me, and there are some very big films that have come to me. So right now I'm torn in between the big films and the brilliant scripts. But I think towards the end of this month we should have the rest of the year.
More clarity once Kabul releases.
But extremely interesting work.
That's great. What about you? Your fitness regimen and
my fitness regimen is more or less what he does. The only difference is that I don't do too much of freehand. I work out for 2 hours a day. I do an hour of cardio running. I do your general basic workouts. But I want to thank on camera this time Salman for bringing me back into fitness for that lecture he gave me at 5 o'clock in the morning. I had completely let go because you know my mind wasn't in it. I thought कि director बनने तो fitness से क्या लेना देना. And he put me on the right track right before Kabul, couple of months before Kabul started shooting. So thank you, Salman. And I keep it very simple, यार. अच्छा खाओ, अच्छा सोचो, अच्छा workout करो. That's all you need, and sleep well. That's what I try. I try and get in about 7-8 hours of sleep. And don't ask me about my future projects because currently I'm reading scripts. I'm reading scripts. The moment they reach me, I will let you know. So I have nothing on my plate. I've got no offers to talk about, and so that's the way it is. When it comes to me, I'll call you and you can do a capsule on it.
I can do a capsule on that. I'm waiting for that actually.
I used to love it when you used to ask an actor, so what are your forthcoming projects? I'm actually reading scripts. अरे तो पढ़ भी ले यार, पूरा कर ले. स्कूल में इतनी पढ़ाई कर लेती तो स्क्रिप्ट जल्दी खत्म कर लेता.
Alright, so Ronit Roy and Rohit Roy, pleasure having you on board.
Thank you so much. It was fun. Yeah, it was great fun.
Yeah, I told you that by the end of it, you'll say that.
Thank you.
And I hope that you're saying it genuinely. Yeah,
Absolutely, completely. You know, this is the first time I've realized that actors want to talk more than the interviewer. He wants to go, but we have to continuously talk. तो कितना मजा आया होगा.
I like your hat.
It's important to be a good listener actually. I think it's
Yes,
important.
very important.
Because you know, even for us, we learn a lot.
Yeah, very
From people's experiences, from like lives that they've led.
Yeah.
It's like a
But thank you for
learning
having
experience
us.
for
Thank
as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's all we have from Border Lingama. Keep on watching.